Welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to draw a girl from the back. This pose is great for capturing a sense of mystery and elegance in your artwork. So grab your pencils and let's get started. First, begin by sketching a simple oval shape for the head at the top of your paper. This will help us establish the correct proportion for the rest of the body. Next, draw a vertical line down the center of the oval to act as a guide. Then add two horizontal lines, one near the top for the shoulders and one near the middle for the hips. Now sketch the outline for the torso. From the shoulders, draw two curved lines that taper inward slightly to form the back. These lines should flare out again at the hips to create a natural feminine shape. For the arms, draw two elongated ovals extending down from the shoulders. Make sure they follow the curve of the back to maintain a realistic posture. You can have the arms hang naturally or place one hand on the hip for a more dynamic pose. Now it's time to add some details. Draw the hair flowing down the back. You can go for long wavy locks or a sleek ponytail. It's up to you. Add any clothing details like a dress or a shirt, making sure to follow the contours of the body. Once you are happy with your sketch, go over the lines with a fine tip pen or marker. Add shading to give your drawing more depth and dimension. Focus on the areas where shadows would naturally fall, like under the hair and along the side of the body. Finally, erase any remaining pencil marks and your drawing of a girl from the back is complete. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment and subscribe for more drawing tips and tricks. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring and keep creating. Stay blessed. See you next time.